Hector. I've been with Total Roofing for about 5.5 years now. I'm currently the production manager here at Total Roofing and Construction. I started off my career here as a project manager, but I stepped it up a notch and then became the production manager to help in other aspects here within the company. Something unique about myself that others might not know. Well, if you're a close friend or a colleague of mine, it's no secret that I'm a big, huge Star Wars fan. If there was ever a trivia day night or something like that, and you bring me, just know we're gonna win automatically. It's an automatic win because there's nothing that I don't know as far as the movies, the novels, which is something I do read. I'm a big animal lover. Pitties are the gateway to my heart. I had a dog named Lola that I adopted years ago. Having her in my life really opened me up to helping out rescue communities. I think they're one of God's greatest creations, and we should always protect them, take care of them, adopt, don't shop. That's my greatest passion in life. A day in the life of a production manager at Total Roofing and Construction. I consider it to be problem solving. Usually consists first thing in the morning, coming to our Dalton warehouse, touching base with everyone. Customer needs are always my number one priority, whether it to be scheduling, assigning the right crew to the task, making sure everyone's vehicles work, any concerns that they have from the previous projects. Sometimes they might have some advice that they can give that they ran into, because every job's different. Or so many factors could come in that sometimes we learn something new on the job site, bring up to my next foreman meeting or service tech meeting, and say, hey, this is what Joel came up with. This is going to be our new policy, new procedure going forward, that we might be able to, make a new standard here at Total Roofing. So I try my best to shake everyone's hand, acknowledge everyone, let them know that they're not just a number, that they're remembered. See how life's going with them, because at the end of the day, we're a family, right? The whole gist of my position, what I enjoy the most is just once the project's done, it's like a sigh of relief because I took care of the customer. And that to me is probably the most rewarding. What I'm most excited about here in the future is the constant growing. I really wanted to do more than just be a production manager. I finished one of my courses at Purdue University online. It's called Lean Principles. It basically helps you understand the overall aspect of a business and problem solve in real time. But my greatest achievement, to be completely honest with you, taking care of the customer. And that's something that I constantly keep getting that I'm grateful for here at TRC.